Your toolbox deserves a promotion and a drill that actually shows up to work. From weekend fixes to full-on remodels, DeWalt's cordless lineup brings brute torque, smart batteries, and comfy grips that won't cramp your ambitious plans. In this video to the best DeWalt cordless drills, we cut through specs, sift real-world wins, and flag sneaky trade-offs. Whether you want compact, hammer-ready, or kit-packed value, we've got the standouts. Charge up, chuck in, and let's make holes, not excuses. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. DeWalt DCD771C2, our pick for best budget DeWalt cordless drill. If you want a wallet-friendly drill that still brings the heat, the DeWalt DCD771C2 is your go-to troublemaker in yellow. You're getting 20 volts of cordless freedom with up to 1500 revolutions per minute on tap, so you can zip through pilot holes, drive screws flush, and keep projects rolling without babysitting a cord. Toggle the 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 revolutions per minute for control, 0 to 1500 revolutions per minute for speed, and dial in exactly how you want to work. You'll appreciate the half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck that grips bits like it means it, so there's no mid-drill wobble ruining your line. Under the hood, the high-performance motor punches out 300 unit watts out, giving you the muscle to handle a wide range of everyday tasks, from shelving and hardware swaps to quick fixes that somehow became weekend projects. Tight spaces, no sweat. The compact, lightweight build slips into cabinets, corners, and all those who designed this spots. The ergonomic handle keeps your wrist happy, so your last screw feels as steady as your first. And with the 1.3 ampere battery setup, you get a dependable balance of runtime and lightness that won't weigh you down. You're getting a budget DeWalt that doesn't act budget. Clean power, honest speed, and comfy control in a nimble package. Grab it, set your clutch, and watch your to-do list lose its attitude. Number 4. DeWalt DCD805B, our pick for best DeWalt compact cordless drill. If you want big drill performance without the bulk, the DeWalt DCD805B is your compact ringer. You're running 20 volt power in a trim 7-inch body, half an inch, so you can slip into cabinets, joist bays, and those who planned this, corners without contortions. You set the pace. A high-speed transmission and variable trigger give you 2 honest gears, 0 to 650 revolutions per minute for careful control, 0 to 2000 revolutions per minute when speed pays the bills. The half-inch metal ratcheting chuck locks down bits with real bite, so you're drilling straight and driving clean without mid-job slippage. Working after hours or inside a dim crawl space? The 3-position LED throws 70 lumens where you need it. Tap spotlight mode, and you get a 20-minute shutoff window. Perfect when you need both hands to line up that stubborn fastener. This drill feels right from the first trigger pull. Balanced, compact, and built to keep your wrist fresh through a full punch list. From pilot holes and pocket screws to hardware installs and quick fix-ups, you'll move faster, hit cleaner, and stay in control. You get pro speed, tight space agility, and lighting that actually helps in a compact package that works as hard as you do. Grab the DCD805B and make tight spaces your new comfort zone. Still searching for the perfect DeWalt cordless drill? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. DeWalt DCK240C2, our pick for best DeWalt cordless drill and impact driver. If you're ready to blitz your project list with one smart buy, the DeWalt DCK240C2 combo hands you the 2 hitters you'll reach for every day. A 20-volt drill driver for clean holes and precise fastening, and an impact driver that laughs at stubborn screws with up to 1,700 inch-pounds of torque. You get real, usable power. The drill's 300 unit watts out motor tackles everything from pilot holes to hardware installs, while the half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck clamps bits tight so you're not reseating mid-job. Tight spaces? You're covered. Both tools are compact and lightweight. The impact driver is just 5.55-inch front to back and around 2.8 pound, so you can snake into cabinets, attic bays, and those "who designed this" corners without turning into a pretzel. Swap bits fast on the driver with the one-handed 1/4-inch hex chuck that eats 1-inch tips for breakfast. The variable triggers are smooth, the balance is dialed, and the ergonomic handles feel planted, so your last screw is as steady as your first. Low light isn't a problem either. A 3 LED light ring with a 20-second delay floods the work area without harsh shadows, giving you time to line things up like a pro. You're getting a compact, no-nonsense drill for accuracy, an impact driver for pure drive power, and a kit that fits where work actually happens. Grab the DCK240C2, pull the trigger, and let your project stop arguing back. Number 2. DeWalt DCD996B, our pick for best DeWalt cordless hammer drill. If your to-do list includes concrete, brick, and why is this stud so stubborn, the DeWalt DCD996B is the cordless hammer drill you reach for on purpose. You're running 20-volt brushless power that stretches every charge, up to 75% more runtime than those old 18-volt nickel-cadmium brushed rigs. So you spend more time drilling and less time swapping batteries. You'll clamp bits with zero drama thanks to the heavy-duty half-ratcheting chuck. It's nitro-carburized metal with carbide inserts, which is a fancy way of saying your masonry bit stays put when the hammering starts. Spin up to 2,000 revolutions per minute for speed, drop down for control, and kick in hammer mode when anchors, tapcons, or block walls try to talk back. Working in dark corners? The 3-mode LED turns cave work into clean work, up to 20 times brighter than the previous model, so you can see what you're doing without guessing. Need both hands free for a tricky angle? Switch to spotlight mode and enjoy a 20-minute shutoff window while you line up the perfect hole. You get pro-grade muscle, confident grip, and lighting that actually helps, all in a cordless body that feels balanced in your hand and ruthless on tough materials. Grab it, set your clutch, and let the DCD996B make quick work of everything that thought it could slow you down. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DeWalt DCD800D2, our pick for best DeWalt cordless drill overall. If your projects deserve a drill that keeps up with your ambition, the DeWalt DCD800D2 is the sidekick you've been waiting for. You're working cordless and confident on 20-volt power, spinning up to 2,000 revolutions per minute when you need speed, and easing off with a feather-smooth variable trigger when precision matters. Flip between 2 speed settings to dial in control. Fast for decking screws, steady for delicate hardware, so your results look pro without the drama. You'll lock bits like a boss thanks to the half-inch metal ratcheting chuck that grips tight and doesn't let go, even when you're leaning into stubborn material. And because real life doesn't always come with perfect lighting, the 3-position LED floods your workspace with 70 lumens. Need extra time in the shadows? Kick on spotlight mode and get a generous 20-minute shutoff window to finish the task without juggling a headlamp. The DCD800D2 is built to help you do more between charges with optimized performance and runtime, so you're drilling, driving, and done without babysitting a battery. At 2 amperes, it's the sweet spot for everyday jobs, cabinets, anchors, framing fixes, weekend upgrades, and all those can-you-just requests that land in your lap. You get speed, control, and rugged reliability in one compact package. Grab it, pull the trigger, and let your to-do list wonder what just happened. Whew! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best DeWalt cordless drill. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which DeWalt cordless drill you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.